You need to understand that learning new things is really so important thing. Why I'm saying that? Because when you learn new things, you build new wires in your brain, like neuroplasticity. It really help your brain to don't get old. Your body can be old. If you do exercise, you can maintain your body. And if you want to maintain your mind, you have to learn complex things every single day so that you cannot become old at your mind level. In this generation, most of people consume lots of videos, but don't do anything at all. So you can take advantage of that. Got it? You can learn, you can execute. I want to tell you something. If you really want to succeed in this era, so it is so easy. You just need to give your 100% and you can beat 99.99%. Can you imagine? This is so easy for you to do at least 5 days your work. Like you can do study, you can do workout, anything. Got it? So let's come on our topic. Our topic is learn new things. Got it? And when you're going to learn new things, first day you will be so excited. You will be, oh my God, I'm feeling butterflies in my tummy. I'm learning new things. But when you comes to a difficult part of that learning, you quit that particular skill or thing at that point of time. So you need to understand that if you start something, your responsibility is to finish that. If you're learning anything, you have to understand this. If you are learning anything, finish it. No matter what, I don't know, you just need to finish. As simple as that. I'm not making complicated. Okay. So now I'm saying learn and finish. And second thing is, the most important thing is, and the whole video is all about learning new things. Already, you know that. And third thing, I'm talking about third thing is action. Whenever you are going to learn something, don't just learn from your brain. Try to learn by your hands. Actually understand how piano works, how guitar works. Got it, my bro, got it. So it is as simple as that. Okay. It is as simple as that as it sounds. Got it. So I'm not making it complicated. You just need to understand, okay, if I really want to learn anything, I need to start. Start now. That is the most important thing. If I'm listening this video, I need to understand that, okay, I'm watching this video. What thing I can apply this video? From this video, what one thing or practical thing I can apply now? And I want to give you something. Whatever you are learning, check it. Whatever you are learning, go. Understand, does it really work? Whatever you have learned a trick, apply it. If you are listening information or grabbing information, don't just grab it. Try to think on a particular information. Try to understand, is this information is right or wrong? You can search on Google. Don't just get excited when you learn new things. If you grab a information, try to question on them. Don't just believe on them. That is my point. Most of people, they just grab information and they never question on it. Take an example. I'm just taking an example. Okay. Let's say you are saying God does not exist. Take an example, my statement. God doesn't exist. So then you don't need to believe in me. You have to question on particular question. Why he is saying this? What his background is? You need to question. You have to build a questioning mind. I will make a video on that. Okay, you don't need to just believe it. You have to do something else. You have to understand properly. You have to build critical thinking. This is so important thing, my friend. If you think, no, I don't want to do that, bro. I don't want to do that. I don't want to think a lot. Then I would say, okay, I know you are in your comfort zone and you are already in your comfort zone and you don't want to do anything. So it's alright. If you don't want to do anything, it's okay. It's okay, I'm saying it is okay. If you don't want to do anything at all, because your parents already feeding you food, and when you get hungry and you don't have parents, and then you will do your work. So if your mind is saying don't do that, you have already everything. You do it, masturbate, you watching porn, you have clothes, you have this and that. Why do you want to do anything at all? So if you don't want to learn anything, it's your choice. Don't do it. I'm not saying anything you can do. I'm just saying if you really want to do it, you can do it. And if you don't want to do it, nobody can